In this video, I'm going to introduce you to an AI that generates your desired images completely free of charge and with various AI models. You've probably wondered how you can use paid AI models for free to create the images and prompts you want. But well, most of these models are paid, so we need a way to use them for free. There are several ways to do this, which I'll talk about in future videos, but one of the ways is by using the very website we're going to review together in this tutorial. The name of this site is Lmarena AI, and its purpose is to create competition between different AIs. In fact, it ranks various AIs. The reason it's free is because of this competition. Otherwise, it doesn't do anything illegal for you. So how do we use it? It's very simple. Once you enter the site and register, all you need to do is use this section below. For example, if you want to create an image, first click on this Generate Image button. After you click it, now you click on this plus sign and select your desired image. For example, here I select this image of the elderly lady, and then you can choose your desired AI for the competition by clicking on this button. For instance, I choose Sidrim, which is very popular right now. I select the model and also choose the Venn AI for it. Now, I need to write a prompt here, which I have already prepared. I copy the prompt here, and the purpose of this prompt is to turn this image from black and white or grayscale into color. I send it and let's see what it generates for us. We wait a few moments for it to process. As you can see, it does this competitively, side by side. Well, as you can see, after about a minute, it has created these two images for us, and you can choose one of them as the winner of the competition, or you can select both, but in the end, you can download both of them. You just click the download button and download them, and you can use them completely free and without any watermark. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that as soon as a new tutorial is published, you have access to it. See you in the next tutorial.